Mabuhay! A pleasant day to everyone. I am Jan Vincel Asuncion and I am your tour guide for today's virtual tour. I'm welcoming you to the birthplace of Philippine surfing, Baler, Aurora. Baler is located to the eastern part of Luzon and serves as the capital of province of Aurora. It is bordered by the Pacific Ocean of the east, San Luis Aurora to the south, and Maria Aurora to the west. The municipality covers about 92.55 square kilometers and it is blessed with a scenic mountain view, pristine beaches, and rich history. Baler is approximately 231 kilometers from Manila, and the travel takes around 5 to 6 hours by land. The town enjoys a tropical climate with the dry season from November to October and wet season from May to October. The average temperature range of about 22 to 32 degrees Celsius, offering warm coastal weather perfect for surfing, swimming, and sightseeing. As for the 2022 census, Baler has a population around 43,785 residents. It consists of 13 barangay and is led by Mayor Reti Angara. Baler's name comes from the word balod, which means mountain dove, a bird commonly found in the area. Was found in 1609 by Franciscan missionary led by Father Blas Palomino, with the early settler being the Dumagat and Ilongot tribes. Over the years, different religious order helped shape the community. However, tragedy struck in 1935 when the massive tribal waves called Tramba Marina destroyed the town of Barrio Sabang, leaving only few families to rebuild. During the Philippine Revolution, local formed their own Katipunan group and bravely joined the fight of independence. Later on, Baler becomes part of Tayabas province under the American rule in 1902. Today, stand Baler stand as the symbol of nature, adventure, and history. It is best known for its world-class surfing sport at Sabang Beach, historical landmark like Baler Church and Museo de Baler, and breathtaking attractions such as the Moabo Falls and Digisit Beach. Truly, Baler is a perfect blend of wave, wildness, and warm hospitality. For today's virtual tour, we will be visiting some of the most well-known attractions in this lovely town of Baler. We will be visiting first the Museo de Baler, and after that, we will be heading to the San Luis Obispo Parish Church. It is 140 meters away from Museo de Baler. And for our last destination, we will be heading to Sabang Beach, which is 1.2 kilometers away from San Luis Obispo Parish Church. So now everyone, are you all ready? Okay, let's head to our first destination. Everyone, I'm welcoming you to Museo de Baler, a special place that keeps and shares history of town of Baler. Inside the museum, you can see many old artifacts, paintings, cultural items that shows how Baler changed over time. The museum also tells the story of Philippine Revolution and the Siege of Baler, where the people of Baler show great courage. You can also find display about the Spanish era, local artworks, and natural beauty of Baler. And also for the province of Aurora. The outside of museum is magnificent. The wood carving of the nice garden that make it relaxing place to visit. In the center of the park, the statue of the former President Manuel L. Quezon, who was born in the province of Aurora, Baler. Now that we visit our first destination, let's now head to our next destination. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm welcoming you to the site of historic siege of Baler, San Luis Obispo Parish Church. This church is a symbol of courage and endurance. It was here Spanish soldiers took refuge during the siege of Baler from 1898 to 1899, one of the longest siege of the Philippine history. For almost a year, they stayed inside the church, unaware that the Spanish-American War has already ended. Today, the church stands as the national historical landmark, restored and preserved the honor of bravery of both Spanish soldiers and Filipino revolutionaries. I hope you enjoy learning about Baler rich past and its role for our national history. Now, let's move on to our last destination. One of the most famous spots here in Baler, the beautiful Sabang Beach. This long gray sand facing the Pacific Ocean, well known as the birthplace of surfing in the Philippines. Sabang Beach became popular after the movie Apocalypse. Now show the film here is in 1970, where the local residents discovered how perfect the waves were for surfing. Around the beach, you will find resort, restaurants, and surf school offering lesson and equipment material, making it lively and friendly place for visitors. Whether you were riding the wave, taking pictures, or simply enjoy the sea breeze, Sabang Beach is the perfect way to end the Baler adventure. And everyone, that's conclude our virtual tour here in the beautiful town of Baler, Aurora. I hope you all enjoy our visit to some of the most famous attractions. Thank you so much for joining me today. And again, this is John Vincel Asuncion, your virtual tour guide, saying maraming salamat po and mabuhay. Until our next journey together, see you again and keep exploring the wonder of the Philippines.